Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection for our Blu-ray update of the week. Today I'm going to show you the Smurfs in 3D. This is a great movie from Sony Pictures. If you haven't seen this movie, you gotta watch it because it's really funny. It's the story of 6 Smurfs coming to New York. We have Papa Smurf, Smurfette, Brainy, Gutsy, Grouch, Gargamel. Wait, I said 6 Smurfs. Where's the other one? Oh, that's right. Clumsy. There you are. But before, I just want to let you know that Sony is releasing this movie in 2 different editions. Here we have the Smurfs in 3D 2-disc. Here we have the Blu-ray 3D and also DVD. But remember, this edition, the Blu-ray 3D, also plays in 2D. But there's another edition called the Holiday, the Smurfs Holiday Gift Set, which is the same price as this one, but has an extra DVD with a short called The Smurfs Christmas Carol. It is in widescreen, but it's only 22 minutes in standard quality, 480p, and just comes with English, French, and Spanish Dolby Digital 2.0. This one is $25. That one is also $25, same price. So let me show you here. Comes in a really nice slip cover in a lenticular 3D case. Very nice. Same artwork in the front and also in the back. And another good thing is the Blu-ray is region free. So let's take a look in the artwork inside of the discs. So here's the artwork. Let's see. In this flyer, on one side is talking about the Sony tablet, and on the other side is explaining the ultraviolet digital copy. Just be advised that there's no code in here. In the shrink wrap, in the plastic, you're gonna see this sticker. Save the sticker because in the back it has the redemption code for you to download your ultraviolet digital copy. And here, check out more cool stuff inside. So here we have an app, the Smurfs Village, and here's just a recipe for Smurfberry parfait. Okay, so now let's take a look at the artwork. This one facing New York, the Smurfs facing New York, is the DVD. And here we have the Blu-ray. But like I said, it is 3D, but also plays in 2D, so that's a good thing. And best of all, there's an inside artwork. So once again, this is the DVD of the film, region 1. And this is the Blu-ray, region free, but also plays in 2D mode. Now let me give an up-close look at the special features. It comes with English, DTS HD Master Audio 5.1, as well as Canadian French and Spanish as Dolby Digital 5.1. And for special features, we have over 45 minutes of bonus material, all in 1080p high definition. Okay, so I'm back. I just finished watching this movie in 3D, and let me tell you, this transfer is fantastic. Image quality is spectacular. Rich bold colors, black levels are impeccable. You know, I'm gonna give 10 stars for audio and video. Sony did a fantastic job in this movie. And good news, Sony is already working on a sequel, The Smurfs 2, for 2013. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates every week right here at Blue Collection. Thanks again and see you next time.